This isn't what I expected, but I feel like it's what I deserved. This is the worst I've ever looked. Hey, what's up you guys? It is me, Emmerich, aka Momo if you're watching this in Asia, and welcome back to my channel. It's good to see you all again, and I hope you're doing well. Anyway, so I was taking a nap, and I had this idea where I wanted to film a video where I tried to follow 4 different makeup tutorials at the same time. Y'all are gonna catch on, because we're just gonna start doing it. So, I have not watched any of these videos. I don't know if I'm gonna have the stuff required to follow these tutorials, but you know, I'm hoping. So, let's jump into it. The first 2 videos were sent to me by everyone's favourite beautiful editor, Ms. Vicky. A video by a makeup artist called Sam. Oh, he's beautiful. How is he so pretty? Let's skip forward to him actually starting to do some makeup. He's grabbing some concealer. He dots it down his nose, under his eyes, and then across his mustache. Okay. This is not going to be enough to cover my face, but you know, whatever, dude. Now he goes in with concealer and draws 2 love hearts, 1 on each cheek. Why does he draw love hearts? I don't know. Maybe he's just being cutesy. So, next he uses a NARS powder to set the face, but I will be using a Laura Mercier powder. And then he uses a setting spray. He sets his makeup now? You know what? Don't ask questions. He's beautiful, so just copy him. Okay, and that is time on Sam Chak's video. Now to switch to the next one. Okay, so the next video was sent to me by Alex, and it is How to Get a Sugar Daddy by Jeffree Star. So we're gonna just jump forward just to kind of after he's done his like foundation. So he's adding some highlight. It's like a peach highlight shade. Okay, so he goes in with an eye primer. Okay, so next he goes in with an ivory shade and just plasters that all over the eye. Okay, so he's going into like an orange. Do I have an orange? Yes! I don't have anything that orange, but I do have the shade Bellini from the iconic London palette that I think will be a pretty good match, so let's go in with that. Next he goes in with a smaller brush, takes a brown and put it into the crease. Hi, Editing Emmerich here. So I am aware that the orange that I'm using is nowhere near as bright as the one that Jeffree Star has. I just don't have a pumpkin orange. Sorry guys. Okay, so take a highlighter, go under the brow bone, and then time for the next one. Okay, so the next one is by Dang May. Oh god. Okay, she's just going in under the eyes and smoking it out with dark reds. Okay, what's next, girl? Give it to me. So, she goes into the corner of her eye with the sparkly shade, and then over the top of what's on top of her eye with a different sparkly shade. Oh, she put on lashes? When did she put on lashes? Oh, also, don't do this. Okay, eyelashes on that are way larger than the ones that she's wearing. I'm sorry. I've tried to trim them. It is what it is. Okay, next she goes in with a blush and a highlight and then another blush. Oh, and then she puts white on the side of her lips. Okay. Hers looks so much better than mine does. Okay, so because she's so pale, the white that she used actually blends into her skin. I am a brown person. White does not blend into my skin. Time for the next one. It's going so well. Nikki Tutorials doing Phantom of the Makeup Mask Halloween tutorial. Let's jump to the last minute of that video and see what we do. So she's going in with a bronzer and she's warming up the face. Now all of the stuff that she seems to be doing is on one side of the face, so I guess I have to stick to that. More blush. More highlighter. Oh Oh no. Next she's lining her lips. She wipes off the makeup from half of her face. Okay, now we're back to one side of the face. And you trace out an outline of a shadow around your makeup, okay? This looks nothing like what she's doing. Oh god, I'm sweating. This video was not made for people who didn't pay attention to the rest of the video. But this is all she did. This is all I saw her do. And then she just cut to it was being finished. So, I mean, okay, so now she's taking white and she's tracing along the edges of the mask. Oh, Jesus, this is so bad. And then she just dabs the white around, okay? Oh god. She says it's supposed to make it look plastic, but, girl, no. That's the end of that tutorial. So, I'm gonna zoom you in so y'all can just get a real good look at this. This isn't what I expected, but I feel like it's what I deserved. This is the worst I've ever looked. Okay guys, so this was me following 4 makeup tutorials in one. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like the outcome. If you do, please make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. You can find links to all of my socials in the description box down below. And until we meet again, kisses from England. Bye guys.